afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 39. And the instruction for this question says that we should choose the word or group of words that is synonymous or that can replace or nearest a meaning to the underlined word. And the underlined word in this statement is contemptuous. 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 From the word contempt. From the word contempt. Then, and the sentence says, Mrs. Opala gave the drunk a contemptuous. Mrs. Opala gave the drunk a contemptuous. Then option A, happy. B, sorrowful. C, knowingly. Then D, scornful. Happy cannot replace the word contemptuous or contempt. You know, contempt is like having a doubt. Having a doubt, or and is also replaced maybe score or score when you score something or somebody. Then so happy is synonymous to glee, joy, and so on and so forth. Then sorrowful cannot replace the word contempt, because although the word contemptuous is negative in nature, but not lamentating as sorrowful. And sorrowful is synonymous to sad. Sorrowful is synonymous to evil act. Then knowingly cannot also replace contemptuous or contempt, because knowingly simply means having knowledge of something or being knowledgeable. Then scornful, by the analysis of contemptuous to contempt, to doubt, and to scorn, it means that scornful can actually replace the word contemptuous. So option D is correct. Thank you.